Morning children, welcome to English language class for class 8. Now, in the last class we have learned about the different kinds of sentences. In this class we are going to learn the interchange of sentences. You need to open English language book, Candid's English language book. The name is English Grammar and Composition. Open page number 7, and there you will find out some examples given along with the exercises. So when we change, first we will learn how to change an interrogative sentence into an assertive sentence and vice versa. For example, when you change the sentence, remember that you cannot change the meaning of the sentence. So examples are given here, and with the help of these examples you can easily understand how to change the sentences without changing their meaning. For example, let me give you an example of interrogative sentence. Can we be thankless to you? If I change this into an assertive sentence, that is into a statement, then I have to change it like this. We can never be thankless to you. Okay? Now, one more example. Who is immortal? This is a question asked, and it itself gives the sense that no one is immortal. So, when I say who is immortal, it is an interrogative sentence, and when I change it into an assertive sentence, I say that no one is immortal. So this is the way we will change. You can go through the other examples given here and then do exercise number 2. Again you will find out in number B. If you come to exercise number B, there we'll learn about interchange of exclamatory and assertive sentences. Again, you see, what a charming face! Exclamation mark at the end. So you see, what a charming face. This means what? It means that it is a very charming face. So, I have already changed an exclamatory sentence into an assertive. Similarly, alas, we have lost the match. That means it is very sad. It is so sad that we have lost the match. So, in this way, we can change an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. Kindly try to do exercise number 3. For example, I'll do the first one for you. Hurrah! Hooray! My fast friend has come. So I can easily hooray. What is that? It is it gives the sense of some happiness, right? So I can say it is so happy that my fast friend has come, or I am so happy that my fast friend has come. Don't write it is so happy. You have to say here, I'm so happy that my fast friend has come. Now, in the next page, if you come to the next page, you'll find out interchange of affirmative sentences into negative sentences and vice versa. Now, in this case, see, affirmative means a sentence, or affirm means that affirms something, like a positive sentence. But a negative sentence will always negate a particular statement. For example, this is a cow. This is an affirmative sentence. It is a statement. It is affirming something, that yes, this is a cow. And when I say this is not a cow, that means I am negating the fact that this is not a cow. Remember, negative sentences will always contain no, not, never, neither, nor, none. So all this sentences which contain these words are negative sentences, and uh, affirmative sentence is one which will not have this not, no, never, none, neither, nor. Okay. Now you see the examples that are given in page number 8. Affirmative sentence, they play basketball. A negative sentence, they do not play basketball. This is very simple. Now, by using double negative, how to use it? Affirmative, we should be satisfied with our lot. We should not be dissatisfied with our lot. In this sentence, you see, we should be satisfied. Now what have I done? I have put here one not. We should not. Okay. And then satisfied, the opposite of satisfied is dissatisfied. So in this case, what I have done, I have interchanged the sentence, but I did not change the meaning. We should not be satisfied means what? We should not be dissatisfied means what? We should be satisfied. Understood? So we can easily interchange the sentences in this way. Next, by interchanging the degree of comparison. This is another chapter. This is another chapter. So you have learned, but I will discuss this in detail in the upcoming videos, or maybe in the class if our classes start, then I'll discuss this. It's a big chapter, and it will take time. However, as you have already done a bit of this, so we can do this. Like, Maria is as beautiful as Martha. So I can easily write Maria is not less beautiful than Martha. Similarly, to this two you have already done. When we remove when we remove this adverb to, we have to use one not. Like, he is too weak to rise from his bed. He is so weak that he cannot rise from the bed. Right? You can see the sentence given here in page number 8. One more thing, I have not taught you the usage of no sooner than, but that is also, but that is also the way how to convert an affirmative sentence into a negative one. For example, as soon as the chief guest arrived, all stood up. We can easily change it into a negative sentence by using no sooner. No sooner did the chief guest arrive than all stood up. Sometimes we can transform the sentences by omitting the words refrain, abstain, neglect, omit, etc. How to do this? Abstain from smoking and drinking. So I can easily do it like this. Do not smoke and drink. Now here in the first one, you see the exercise number 4. Number 1, Akbar was the greatest Mughals. So I can easily change it into a negative sentence using the degrees of comparison, especially the positive degree. Like, Akbar was the greatest of the great Mughals. I can easily say, no other great Mughal was as great as Akbar. Okay. He left, number 2, you see, he left no plan untried. That means he tried every plan. Understood? So kindly try to do the rest of the questions from question number 3 to 10, and stay safe, be happy. Thank you.